Everyone, so now we will do one lab. So let me create the new lab. I will give here basic, okay, or no need to give basic, we can give the VLAN lab, VLAN lab with more than one switch. Now I can take here, if you want to take the switch, we will take this IOL, and this one is the switch L2, whatever you can see, this all are switch only. If you see L3, that is a router. So we can take whatever we are getting by default, and here I can write SW, and here I will select switch, okay, and we can keep like whatever we have here. I need two, so let me take one more again. We can take two all together. Here we need to change the quantity, so let me put here this one, and here I will take this two. We can connect this way, already we know, and we want to change the name of the switch. We can click edit, and we can write here switch 1. Imagine this switch is in the ground floor or first floor, this switch is in the second floor. Like this we can take the example. This is the switch which is in the first floor, and this is a switch which is in the ground floor. Like that we can treat. And I need to take some PCs, so click node, and we can take this PC, VPC. If you want to take, you can take, we can take 4. Here I can give as a PC. Icon, we can give any other icon, and here I can connect 2 PC in the first floor. We can say first floor. Here I will take, this is the PC 1, this is the PC 2, and we can take this one here, and here also I can change the name of the PC. Okay, same thing we can do here also. Name of the PC here, PC4, and we can connect this here. So now we can say we have the first floor and second floor. This is one floor, this is another floor. We can power on the device. I can go right click, power on, right click, power on. Here also I will power on, here also power on. All the devices I can power on. All together also we can power on. There is option here, start all nodes. If we click this one, all the computer will start at a time. Here I can go, I can write here 192.168.1.1, okay, /24. I can give here our wish, whatever IP we want. Just I am putting the label, so by seeing that one you can easily understand. If we do directly later, we will not remember which IP, what IP we assign to which computer. So to overcome these types of problem, we can do that one here, okay. So I will go here, and now I can take the console of the switch 1, and here no need to remind me, and I will take, this is a switch 1 we taken, this is a switch 2, and we can take this PC console, this PC console, this is the VPC we are calling. So if you want, you can connect the, what we can say, window PC, but each PC will take 8 GB, 8 GB, 8 GB, 8 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB RAM. If you take the window computer, we don't want to do any server operation, anything. Just we need any local PC, just we need to send some data to make testing like VLAN is working or not working. So we can take any PC like VPC. This is a Linux VPC, we can use this one also. If you need the window, you can take window also. We don't have image, I think now. This is a window, it look like window only, we need to install, but one PC will take 4 to 8 GB of RAM. So no need to take that one also. Now for CCNA level this is sufficient, you can use the VPC. And now here this is the PC one, you need to assign the IP. If you want to assign, first of all you need to check do we have any IP. You can write show IP, we don't have any IP. If you want to assign any IP, you write IP 192.168.1.1/24 and press enter. It will save the IP to this machine. And you write save and you write show IP, and we have the IP to the PC1. Now I will go to the PC2. I will write IP 192.168.1.2. If you remember what we told before, we need to assign the IP from the same subnet because they all are connected directly. So if you see 192.168.1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 all together. So if I want to save, I can save here. Sorry, I need to write in the small letter. If I write show IP, it will show the IP. This is the IP we have for this computer PC2. Now we can go for PC3. I can write show IP. Okay, we don't have, I want to assign, I can write IP and then 192.168.1.3/24, and I can save the IP here. Okay, this third one is finished. I can write show IP, and then I can go, I can write here show IP, and then I can write 192.168.1.4/24. I can save the IP here. Okay, this one is good. Now we can check if you remember, we did not configure any VLAN, we did not put the port in any VLAN. By default all the ports will be in the VLAN one. Now if you ping from PC1 to PC4 or PC3, anyone, it will work because all ports are in the VLAN one, it will work. If you write ping 192.168.1.3, it will work. This computer is talking with this computer and it is working because we don't have any VLAN. Now we need to do the VLAN. So I will take the notepad. In the notepad we can do the configuration. What configuration we will write here? Show, first of all I will write switch 1 configuration. What configuration? Enable config T, host name R1, host name SW1. Then you need to create which VLAN? VLAN 10 example. I can write name as HR. You can give anything. I will say I need one more VLAN. Name I can give sales. If you want, we can do something here. I can say this shape. Here is square. Color what you need. This shape come here. I can put here. Okay. Like this. Duplicate. I will put this here. So wherever you have this shape color box, we can say that is for VLAN 10. And we told VLAN 10 is for which? I think HR, right? So we can write like this. Here, duplicate this one. We can move here. If you see VLAN 10 is HR. Now we have VLAN 20. So I will keep duplicate this one, and here I will edit. Instead of brown we can take any color, any other color. This one I will keep this here. I will duplicate. I will keep this here, and this one I will duplicate. I will say this should be VLAN 20. Yeah, Here whatever we plan to give, IT or sale, what we give here, same thing, we give sales. Yeah, so I will change here, I will go here, I will write sale. Okay, and here I will duplicate, I will keep here. Now what we can do, we can do the configuration. So if you do lab by doing like this, putting everything, you will feel in, you will have the interest and also easy to understand. By seeing this topology, you can easily do the configuration. If you did not write anything here, sometime you will forget also what you done, and later when you are reconfiguring again, you will face the difficulty to understand what we are doing here. So better whenever you are doing any lab, put everything so it is easy for you to understand later. Okay, so now we have the two VLAN. So what I can do, interface E0 by 1, we need to put the interface under that VLAN. So I will write switch port mode axis, then switch port axis, which VLAN, this is for 10. Okay, this one I will copy the same thing, I will paste here, and this is a port E0 by 2. I will make this as a E0 by 2. This is in VLAN 20. This configuration is good, right? I will copy this, I will go to this computer, this one, and I will paste here. And if you see, everything look good, so we can consider this one is very good, we can keep like this. And here I will paste here, I will put here 2. I am doing for this one, this switch configuration, so this remains same, E0 by 2. So I will make this as E0 by 2, and this is for VLAN 20, so I will change this as a 20. And here is E0 by 1, so this will be E0 by 1. We have VLAN 10, so I will change this as a VLAN 10. Any dots still here? Okay, so I will copy and I will paste here. I will go to the switch 2, I will paste here. Everything is good here. Now if you remember, this port is in VLAN 1 by default, and we did not change anything here. This is in VLAN 1 only. This one we put in VLAN 10, this is in VLAN 20, this is VLAN 20, this is VLAN 10, and this one is a VLAN 1 only. So now how we can do means, I will show you one thing here. If you go here and write here show VLAN brief, you can see here you have the VLAN 20 and 10, and this is the port. And if you see E0 by 0, this port is in the VLAN 1, default one. Here if you remember, we create VLAN 10, we give the name as a HR, and we put this port E0 by 1 in the VLAN 10. And we have another port that is VLAN 20, and we put in the sales. If you see, this port we keep in the VLAN 20. We can verify here also. Show VLAN brief, if you see 10 HR, this one I am saying, and this is E0 by 1 is VLAN 10, and we have another VLAN 20 that is for sale, and the port E0 by 2. Okay, and now what I can do here, after that, if I want to, and you need to remember this port E0 by 0 of the switch 2 and E0 by 0 of the switch 1, this port is in the VLAN 1 only. So what we can do here, this one is in VLAN 1 and these are the different VLAN. And now you need to remember one more thing, different VLAN cannot communicate. So VLAN 10 PC, this is a VLAN 10 PC, cannot talk to VLAN 20 PC. This VLAN 10 and this VLAN 10 should work, and this VLAN 20 and this VLAN should work, because imagine you are working in some company, they have maybe some staff in the first floor. I taken here only one computer. Imagine you have here maybe 25 computer or 50 computer. After that, the department is having the more staff, and they don't have the space to sit that department guys. Maybe here I taken only one computer. Imagine you have maybe here 20 computer. This HR 20 guys are sitting here. Later we hire more guys and we don't have space here because already we have 20 guys from the sales sitting here. We cannot ask the sales guy go to the first floor, I have the HR guy, they will sit here. We cannot say like this. Okay, we cannot say like this. So what we need to do, we need to use another switch for the other floor, and here whatever the new guys join for the HR, we need to connect that PC here. Maybe here you have 20 quantity. For lab purpose we taken only one, but maybe you will have 20 or 30 guys. Same thing here, VLAN 20. You cannot say that no, move this all VLAN 10 here and all move this VLAN 20 here. You cannot say like that. Wherever the guys are sitting, your manager will say there is a department for HR and put all the interface are in the HR here. There is a department or sales, put this in sales. Some guys are HR, put that in HR. You cannot say to your manager, no, put all the HR guy in the first floor or put all the HR guy or whatever the guy in the second floor. We cannot say. Whatever they are sitting, wherever they are sitting, we can configure. So here we will imagine you have 10 PC that we put in the VLAN 20. You have 10 PC, we put in the VLAN 10. So this is HR, this is sales in the first floor. You have second floor, same department we have again here, and that is VLAN 20 and VLAN 10. So here we need to create the VLAN both side. This we need to put depending upon which VLAN that guy is. Same thing here, same thing here, same thing here. Here I did not change anything. This is a VLAN 1 only. So if I put here, if you see here, if I put this interface, if it is in VLAN 1, this traffic will not go like this, because here you have VLAN 1, so only VLAN 1 traffic allow. So what you will say, okay, this is VLAN 10, so I will put this 10 here and 10 here to this interface. So VLAN 10 traffic will go like this. But imagine same time this VLAN 20 sales guy want to talk with another sales guy, then here traffic will not go. What we need to do, again you need to put this interface in 20, VLAN 20. Then this traffic will start working here, and this will not work here because you remove the VLAN 10 and you put in the VLAN 20. You got my point? So we have the problem here. If you have maybe more VLAN, maybe you have 50 VLANs here, then you need to whatever traffic is going, configure that here and here, and when they are not talking, remove that one and put the other one in. This is not practical. You cannot do like this, right? So to overcome these types of issue, what we will do, we will configure here trunk. So trunk is used to carry all the VLAN, multiple VLAN, not VLAN 1, not VLAN 2, or not anything. He is going to carry all the VLAN. So first of all, before going to the trunk, we can go to the PC1 and I can ping here from PC1 to PC2. It will not work because they are in the different VLAN. If you see, this is a PC1, this is a PC2. I am pinging, it is not reachable because they are both are in different VLAN. So first we need to remember different VLAN cannot communicate. This is one thing we finish. Second thing, if you have the same VLAN, it will work. So one VLAN is same VLAN means one VLAN department means one PC. For VLAN 10 is a first floor, second one is a second floor, second PC. So if we ping this one also, it will not work because this interface are in the VLAN 1. The interface which is connecting two switches, that interface are in the VLAN 1. So VLAN 1 interface cannot carry the VLAN 10 traffic. If you want to test, we can test. We can ping from the PC1 to PC3. If I write here ping 192.168.1.3, and if you check, it will not work because it should work actually, because same VLAN we are saying same VLAN will work. But here the problem what we have here, why they are not working, this VLAN is not working here. Why it is not working? Both are same VLAN, so same VLAN should communicate. We are saying different VLAN will not work, same VLAN will work, but here both are same, but even though it is not working, why? Because this link is not carrying the VLAN 10 traffic, it is carrying the VLAN 1 traffic. That's why VLAN 10 traffic is dropping here. So to overcome these types of issue, what I am saying, okay, put this port in VLAN 10, this port in VLAN 10, then VLAN 10 traffic will start, it will start working. But later if this department is saying I am unable, then remove this, put in the VLAN 20, then these two guys will start working. Again you need to move this, that we cannot do like that way. Okay, that's why we are using the trunk. So what I can say, example, we will say, Okay, this is the interface E0 by 0. I will write here switch port mode axis, and then I will write switch port mode switch port axis VLAN 10. So I am putting this interface in the VLAN 10 in the switch 1 and also in the switch 2. Then VLAN 10 traffic will start working. If you see here, I will go here in the global configuration mode. I will put here, I put this interface in VLAN 10, and I will go to the switch 2 also. I will also put here also in the VLAN 10. Let me copy and put this interface E0 by 0 for the switch 2 also in the VLAN 10. So both are in the VLAN 10. Now they are going to start working. Before they are not working. Now we need to wait for some time. After that you can ping, it will work, because they are in the same VLAN, and we are saying this link should carry the same VLAN traffic. So it should start working now. It is saying something wrong here. So let's see. I can cross check here. Show VLAN brief. If you see, this is in the VLAN 10, and these two interface F0 by 0 and F this one are in HR. And let me check here also. Show VLAN brief. Here also this F0 E0 by 1 and E0 by 0 in 10 VLAN. So VLAN 10 traffic should work. But why it is not working, we need to check. Sometime in the EVNG and GNS3 we will have issue. So we need to save the configuration and reboot the switch. Okay, but now we can try again. Now it is working. See, it start working. Even though if you did not save the configuration, it will work. Maybe sometime this is a virtual environment, so it will take some time. After that it will work. Why it is working? Because they are carrying the VLAN 10 traffic, and this switch is going to carry, because we put this port and this port are in VLAN 10, so VLAN 10 traffic will go easily. But if you try to send from here to here VLAN 20, it will not work. If you want to cross check, you can do here. You will go here, same thing. You can change this configuration as a VLAN 20 here. Okay, here VLAN 20 and here VLAN 20. You can put like this, and you can paste this one in the switch 1 and switch 2 and verify that one. Okay, I done here. I will do this here also. Now we can check. After some time it will start working. PC2 we can ping from VLAN 192.168 1.4. It will start working. It will take some time. After that it will start working. So now what we can say, different same VLAN is working, different VLAN is not working. But the problem here, what problem we will have, if you want to send the traffic of VLAN 20, you need to put here 20, here 20. If you want to send the VLAN 10 traffic, you need to put this here 10, this here 10. That is the problem here we have. Yeah, it is working. So this is the problem. You cannot change every time. If you have maybe 50 VLAN, you cannot put this sometime VLAN 1, 2, 3, so on up to 50. So this is not practical way. So for that purpose, what we will do here, we will configure the trunk. So if you want to configure the trunk, we write switch port mode trunk. This command we need to put, but if you are using the layer 2 switch, in the EVNG whatever switch we are using, that is layer 3 only, this one, not the layer 2. So what we need to do, we need to put the layer 2 command here. So if I go inside the switch here, okay, I will go under the interface. Which interface? This one, E0 by 0. E0 by 0, I can write here switch port trunk encapsulation .1q. This is the command. First we need to write this command here, because this is a layer 3 switch. Layer 3 switch. Yeah, because if you will use the layer 2, then only this second command is enough. Yes, here also what I will do, I will go here interface F0 by 0, sorry, not F0 by 0, what is that one, E0 by 0. I will write switch port trunk in trunk encapsulation .1q. Then you need to write switch port mode trunk. This command we will use for layer 3. So we are using the layer 3, so I make this interface as a trunk, this interface also trunk, And if you want to check how you can check, you can write show interface trunk. If you write show interface trunk like this, and you can see here this port are in trunk and mode is on. On means someone configure manually, and we are using the encapsulation 802.1q. Status is trunk and native VLAN is 1. And how many VLAN allow? From 1 to 4094, all the VLAN allow here. Currently we have VLAN 1, 10, 20, 3 VLAN we are using. Here when we change, sometime you will get the native VLAN mismatch. After both the side we configure the trunk, it will stop the warning there and it will start working. So both the side we configure as a trunk. Now no need to put this any VLAN. Trunk is a protocol which is going to carry the multiple VLAN traffic. So now you can check here, it is working. Which one? This 1.3 pinging from where? Pinging from the PC1. This is a PC1 pinging to this one, and means VLAN 10 is working here. And if you check the other one, VLAN 20, VLAN 10 PCs can communicate, means these both are talking to each other, and also these both are talking to each other same time. Means VLAN 10 is talking to other VLAN 10 same time, VLAN 20 is talking to other VLAN 20 same time. Means same VLAN is working. VLAN 10 is having one computer in the first floor and ground floor. First floor and second floor, they are talking to each other. Same like that, we have VLAN 20 in the first floor and ground floor, they are also talking. So before, if you remember, before we configure trunk, if we did not configure trunk here, if you configure here VLAN 10 and here VLAN 10, only VLAN 10 traffic will go like this. If I configure here VLAN 20, only this traffic will go, VLAN 20 traffic. Now when I configure here as a trunk, then it is going to carry all the VLAN traffic. Trunk is going to use all the VLAN traffic. Here if you see, all the traffic is going, whatever, this is VLAN 1, VLAN 10, this will go here. This is VLAN 20, it will go here. The same time it will go. Same time it will go and it will be easy. Example, if you want to allow all the VLAN between the two switches, you need to put as a trunk. If you did not put as a trunk, then it will not work. If you did not put anything, by default it is in the VLAN 1, so it will work for only VLAN 1. If you put this here for VLAN 10, it is going to carry only VLAN 10 traffic. If you put only VLAN 20, then it is going to carry only VLAN 20 traffic. So we use the port as a trunk here. So when we use the trunk, switch is going to put some tag, because in the packet tracer we can see easily that track. So later we will do the similar lab in the packet tracer. So in that place we can verify. Example, if this PC is sending anything, when it come to this switch, how the switch know this frame belongs to which VLAN, and when it go, it will forward here only. Whatever the interface is present in that VLAN, switch is going to forward to that one only. How switch know that one? Because switch is going to receive the frame from this interface. Switch know this interface is in the VLAN 10. So the frame which we have, he will put the tag here. He will put some sticker saying that one, this belongs to VLAN 10, and it will go here. This switch will see that one and he will remove the tag here, and he will send to the interface, whatever interface is connected to VLAN 10. So this way frame will go. So let me repeat again what